What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock and also covering the overall market and seeing what direction the overall market could be headed, heading into 2022. And guys, I want to be very clear. There is multiple YouTubers that I have personally seen, I think over 3 now, calling the SoFi stock Sofi, doing YouTube videos. There is YouTubers out there thinking this stock is called Sofi. So be very cautious of what videos you watch covering the SoFi stock. If you search the SoFi stock right now at the top of YouTube, Stock Goat is the #2 channel covering the SoFi stock in the world behind CNBC. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get this video past 1,500 likes. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and get the channel past 10,000 subscribers. We do our due diligence on the SoFi stock, and we know that this is going to be a huge winner. Be sure to drop a comment. Are you buying SoFi stock tomorrow? What is your price targets? I'm going to continue to stick to my price targets of $30 with a bank charter license. I think the upgrades will come in over $35, and this stock could rally by the end of 2022 in the $55 range or higher based off basic price to sales multiples on the growth that this company is expected to have. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, and we can see the Dow jumps 380 points. NASDAQ surges 2% in relief rally after Fed gives rate hiking timeline. So basically all the stocks after, this past couple of weeks of nonstop selling because, investors thought the rates were going to go up. They're pushing back the raising rates, a couple of months, possibly into March or April, somewhere around that timeline. So this is going to give growth stocks more time to rally because their profits are not going to get hammered into, with all of these rates getting hiked, just killing their profits. So that's why you're seeing growth stocks really rally hard because interest rates are getting pushed back by Jerome Powell. As we can see, the SoFi stock was up about 4.7% today, up about 2% in the after hours. So looks like we're almost at around 7% upward move, which is extremely solid. We may have found a bottom, and understand right now the market cap is hovering around 12 billion market cap. I love the price to sales multiple. We are sitting right around 12 times sales for 2021. Volume was on the high end, but understand, guys, this company has sold off drastically. I mean, we're talking over a 40% sell-off, so there is massive upside coming on top of massive catalysts on the way. So nothing but good news is heading for SoFi inside of 2022. As you can see, the growth stocks absolutely rallied today, okay? SoFi's up around 7%, but many other companies bounced hard. Upstart 10%, Cloudflare 8, Sentinel-1 9, Nvidia 8, AMD 8, Zscaler 9, Datadog 7, CrowdStrike 7, Lemonade 8, Fortinet 6, Affirm 7, Etsy 5. So multiple companies rallying anywhere from 5 to 10%, guys. So growth stocks completely bottomed and did a huge reversal after those rates got pushed back. But understand right now, investors need to be very cautious because even though there's massive discounts inside of the market, some of these companies, in my opinion, are still significantly overvalued right now at these levels. The price to sales multiples on some of these companies did not come down that much, and people don't know the valuations that they are buying into right now. And I, pulled a couple of these for you just to show you guys how incredible of a buy SoFi stock is right now at these levels. Take a look, guys. I pulled some of the companies that pulled those huge reversals anywhere from, 6 to 10% or more. As you can see, I have the company, the market cap, the revenue, and the price to sales multiple for you right now. We have Sentinel-1, Cloudflare, Datadog, Zscaler, CrowdStrike, Affirm, Upstart, SoFi. You can see most of these are cloud, and then we have fintech. These 5 cloud stocks right now are trading at 67x, 67x, 53x, 50x, and 34x. If you guys want me to recommend a cloud stock right now, that's not even a question. Go with CrowdStrike. I mean, it's almost half the valuation as these other cloud stocks that have just rallied to, fairy tale land. I mean, are you willing to pay 60 to 50 times sales for a cloud stock that's, pretty much all these are growing at the exact same rate? You tell me, guys. And we have the fintechs. Affirm is still trading at 34x times sales. Upstart is trading at 16 times sales, and SoFi is trading at 12x sales right now. That means to get to a firm's valuation, non-profitable company, SoFi would have to triple from here. That's nearly $45 or higher just to get to this price to sales multiple. And guys, I'm telling you right now, a reason why SoFi cannot find its footing yet and surpass these other companies, like these cloud stocks have done for 2021, is because we have a dark cloud sitting over our shoulder. A bank charter approval not happening is hurting this stock. Even though this stock is killing it, it's almost bad news because no one wants to buy in and go heavy because that catalyst is still not there. That's why I've been telling you guys to continue to load up on these dips at these levels, since we sold off from $24. This company could surpass $24 and rally to new heights that we never imagined. The valuation is there. 200% upside on a firm. And if we even get into these cloud multiples that are, pretty much the same companies as these fintechs, non-profitable and high growth, it's the exact same. It's just these fintechs are new to the market. All these companies just hit the market. We could get into these cloud multiples later on down the road. We grow just as fast. SoFi is growing at 65% growth. So you guys see it. The next time you see CNBC say, SoFi, high flyer, extremely overvalued, understand this is trading at 12 times sales. It's not in the 50, 60, 70x range, guys. We are extremely solid with the growth potential that we have. These numbers that I'm showing you right now, I would say are 95% accurate. Of course, I'm not going to be accurate to the exact million or market cap because of the after hours moves. You see it right here. I mean, we are the lowest valuation, and I bet you no other company on this list has a bank charter license catalyst to equal, that type of catalyst. The only catalyst that could pretty much equal a bank charter is a firm's, buy now, pay later partnership with Amazon. And that's why they got to 34x, because they got the Amazon partnership. So guys, you see it right here. Be careful of these cloud stocks. CrowdStrike looks like the best buy to me. And of course, you saw my last video 2 videos ago. I said Upstart, is a fast growing company and it's a good valuation. That's why you see Upstart really rallying today. So there you go, guys. This is the data I put forth for you. It took me over an hour to do this. So be sure to screenshot it. And, if you want to mix up your portfolio, be sure to use these price to sales multiples. So taking a look at the 1-year chart on SoFi, it's been a nonstop roller coaster, but a lot of other companies and SPAC stocks don't have the power to bounce back strong like this, multiple times. I'm telling you right now, this stock is being manipulated and the big whales are loading up every time this company reaches that bottom level of the $14 to $15 range. I have a price average in all of my accounts, I believe around like 1580, 1590 in my TD Ameritrade. So I've been loading up on these dips. I've been buying this stock up since it was over $22. I bought it 22, 20, 18, 16, 14 multiple times. So guys, that's how you dollar cost average, okay? If you believe in the company, you have to dollar cost average. And even at these levels, if you have a higher average, now is the time to be buying because the stock market could rally the next 3 to 4 months if we don't get that interest rate hike, in the next 4 months. So this is the time to be buying high growth at lower valuations. And you guys can see SoFi is one of the cheapest growth stocks in the entire market. I believe the reason why we are the cheapest is because that bank charter catalyst that is not here is killing us right now. We need that catalyst to break through, and that catalyst could be happening at any given week, any given moment. Do not try to time the market. Be patient and enjoy the journey. You need to enjoy the journey on this stock. So guys, time to time, I go over the management team for SoFi, and I tell you guys, now is the time to be investing in management. What management team you really think is going to disrupt the industry that they're in. And I've covered Anthony Noto. I've covered Lawrence Stafford Webb, and I've covered Rob Levette. I said he's got some videos on YouTube. I want to scroll down a little bit further. I've covered Chad Borton. This is the USAA banking old president, and he came over to SoFi, and he's going to be running this charter. But I want to show you guys another person who is elite management that left one of the largest companies in the world. Maria Renz, okay? You can see she is the unit leader of SoFi Money, SoFi Invest, and SoFi Credit Card, okay? So if you click here, you can read up on her, but I want you guys to see who this lady really is, okay? If we scroll down, Maria Renz is SoFi's EVP and Group Business Unit Leader for Money, Invest, and Credit Card. She was previously the Vice President of Global Operations Customer Experience at Amazon, where she launched Prime one-day shipping, led 80,000 associates across 140 plus countries to deliver world-class customer service, reimagine the customer returns experience. She worked at Amazon for over 20 years and launched the one-day Prime shipping. This is who is running SoFi Money, SoFi Invest, and SoFi Credit Card. This is where we're getting massive amount of our customers, added to the platform. So obviously, with her just adding, 377,000 members, she is doing something right, and she is just getting started. So this lady right here is insane, okay? You have another massive leader on your management team, okay? You need to really look into this management. Look at Chad Boren, look at Maria, Chris, Lauren Stafford. Her marketing skills are unreal. She's most likely the one doing all of these commercials, the money dance. This management team is unreal, and I'm telling you, things are going to start clicking. SoFi is that hidden gem right now. There's a chance this company could turn profitable extremely soon. Just take a look at the earnings for SoFi. You really want to look at that EPS and that net income. Net income means dollars in your pocket. All those companies I did the valuations for you, I'm pretty sure 95% of them are non-profitable, okay? You can see the net income for March, I believe this was Q1, negative 171 million. This is when they went public to the market. That's because they had the Galileo expenses in there. June, we have negative 165 million net income, which is not good as well. And we had, the SPAC and transaction fees in there. But as you can see, when some of these warrants, fees, partnerships, and all of those expenses are not in the earnings report, we go over to September, we're at negative 30 million net income, guys. That is pretty darn close to turning a profitable quarter. I mean, if they pull a couple of strings and revenue boost, additional 50 million, you got a couple of pennies on the EPS. So I believe a profitable quarter could be coming possibly Q1 2022, Q2 2022. We might turn a profitable year next year, and no one's going to be talking crap about SoFi as a non-profitable tech company losing money. The company is doing things right, okay? Take a look at the net income. Negative 170, negative 160, negative 30 million. So guys, if they keep boosting up these revenues, cutting expenses, and cross-buying, we're going to be turning some profitable quarters extremely soon. And remember, this is all happening without a bank charter where we can't control our loans and rates and our borrowing dollars. We get that bank charter, it's going to cut our costs, it's going to maximize our leverage, and we're going to really be able to turn into a profitable business. I believe this company is going to be turning around $500 million in EBITDA next year if they get that bank charter license. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. SoFi stock is definitely an undervalued growth stock inside of this market, specifically in the fintech market, and you can see the valuations for yourself. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I enjoy doing these videos to help you see, what stocks are overvalued and what stocks are truly undervalued. There's a lot of FOMO going into this market. People are chasing the winners in 2021. I don't think you should be chasing the winners. I think you should be doing your due diligence and chasing the companies that haven't run, inside of 2021, because 2022, SoFi could be a big winner. I believe the bank charter is the only thing holding this stock back from big money piling in heavy, because they want to get in at these low valuations, because SoFi could be turning some profits very soon. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.